What up YouTube, this is your president, the Presidential Tourist, back with another food review, restaurant review video. I'm at Eat, a restaurant at Disney Springs. They're relatively new. They started last year. I've been meaning to come here for a while. There's everything going on. I haven't made it, but we're finally here. We're gonna check it out. It's an Indian cuisine, so it should be definitely interesting. All right, let's get to it. Pretty darn excited. I think this was like a Wolf Cane Puck place or something like that. I don't fully remember. I never made it here when it was the previous place, so I'm glad I got a chance to stop here with the new one. All right, let's get to it. Pretty awesome. Looks like they sell t-shirts and merchandise for this place. It's bigger in here than I thought, guys and gals. And the air conditioning feels definitely great. Looks like we must order at the counter, and then we must bring it with us, or maybe they bring it to us. I don't know. I have to see. I checked the menu ahead of time. I'm probably going to get one of those build-your-own bowls. They're like $19.95. I'll put the link below if you want to see a better menu than what I could show you. Looks like they have various different kinds of canned and bottled alcohol over there. That's what I think I'm going to get. There's a lot of different kinds of drinks. Well, this is the fountain beverages you have choices from. And oh, they do have unsweet tea and Diet Coke. I think the unsweet tea, much more healthier for you. And it's Gold Peak, which is always delicious. And one part's leaking a bit. Of course, they have cups here for water. They have some different condiments, spices, stuff, some to-go things. And that one's the same drink choice. So let's first get some cups and some napkins, and let's get back to the table. You get a good view of the kitchen where you get the drinks, and then they have some drinks there, some alcohol drinks and some others. That's where you paid. It's pretty awesome.
Normal thing.
This is Mango Lassie, I think it's called.
I still like this.
This was like $5.95. I haven't tried it yet, but it looks delicious. Of course, the unsweet tea.
Yeah.
And they do take the annual pass discount here. So how much everything was.
Like outside and up there a little bit. And then, okay.
So there's your chopped salad. And then here's the build your own bowl that I did. I did with the rice, shrimp, and then there was like a coconut sauce.
Good. Yeah. Like, what's the difference? One wants the garlic butter. The chicken tikka flatbread.
They got some different flatbreads they got. I forgot to mention, these are like those biodegradable bowls, so if they knew we have to clean it, they just throw it out. This is made like a cardboard. They have, looks like, outdoor seating out there as well. Those cool upside down umbrellas above us. Well, if you want to go to a meet and greet with the chef, these are the dates. So you have a family style meal, you get some autographed merch, some demonstrations. That would be pretty cool, but I bet you it'd be pretty expensive, I bet. Here's the code for more information. Maybe something like that I'll do one day. Alright, I gotta say, I thought the food was gonna be great, and it was. I really enjoyed my build your own bowl. And the guy was right, that sauce, that was like a coconut sauce, went really good with the rice or with the shrimp. And the shrimp were pretty big. You got several of them, and they were like really large shrimps. So yeah, it was really well cooked. I tried Mom's salad, and those puffy things, whatever they were in there, was really tasty. And I know she enjoyed her salad a lot. We tried some of our friend Tropical Nerd's flatbread, and it was delicious. So yeah, everything there was really good. It was great to be able to hang out with Tropical Nerds and a part of her family. I'm going to make sure I put her video below. I'm not sure if she's going to do a video on here or not. I think so. But if not, check out her channel. But she enjoyed it, and Mom enjoyed it, and I enjoyed it. Yeah, this is definitely a place I'd come to again. The place is really coolly decorated. Everyone was super nice in there. Food was great, great atmosphere. I definitely recommend this place. Yeah, I definitely plan to come again. Any comments, questions, let me know. I'm sure they have a website. I'll put it below so you can get a better look at their menu. But yeah, double thumbs up to this place. All right, thank you for watching. Bye, everybody. Bye.